What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you an easy way to fix the rear wiper arm. Sometimes they break, the spring tension, the spring will break and it won't be pushing on the window hard enough. Sometimes it'll break in a car wash or something. So I'm going to show you how to replace this on a 2012 Ford Escape. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, we're going to remove this arm. There's a little cover right here. Just slide this cover off. Now I'm going to take a 13mm socket and a ratchet. I'm going to take this nut off right here. I'm going to hold the arm. Whoops, this arm is broken right here. Grab the arm and just slide it off. This piece kind of disintegrated a little bit. It was cracked. Here's the old wiper arm. Here's the new rear wiper arm from 1aauto.com. As you can see, it's got the same shape. Comes with this cover on the back. Has the same spring. Same mounting position. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Before I install the arm, I want to install a new blade. It's always good to replace the blade when you're doing the arm. Just get this lined up here and then just squeeze it together. And it's locked in place good. Right, on the wiper motor itself, there's some threads right here. You take a wire brush and clean them out. That's gonna keep the wiper arm from stripping. So clean these out, and then you could also use a pick. Just go in on the threads themselves. All right, so we want to open this cap right here. Then we're gonna line this over the stud of the wiper motor, and I want to position this roughly. Sometimes you can see on the window where the old one was, so probably right about there. I'll take the nut, get the nut started, take a 13mm socket and a ratchet, and we'll just snug it up, and then we can lock this down, and then we're just going to test it, make sure it works. Success. Works perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.